Okay, so my new project that I'm going to have to get done is finding some place to move or find a permanent place for the dust collector. Right now I have to move, well, it's usually always connected to the table saw, but whenever I want to use one of the other tools like the planer or the joiner or whatever, I've got to take that hose off, and then I put the big slinky hose on here. And so I think what I'm gonna do, it's kind of hard to see, but let's see, now we can see it. I'm gonna build a platform right in here, and I'm gonna make it long ways, like the dust collector will fit this way. And hopefully, I measured top to bottom and I got plenty of room for the bag and all that, but I figure if I get this right, the outputs, I'll face those towards the back of the, if you're looking at it over there, back this way, and I'll just attach the slinky hose, make it, I'll put a blast gate on it and just make it so I can switch it out to the different tools that I'll use right there. So I'll just move, right in this area. I'll have something, that'll drop down and it can hook up the dust collector there, and I'll just use all those tools. I'm going to make a miter saw station, a smaller one, but then use that area for all those tools. So that's my plan. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we're going to give it a whirl. We got a bunch of scrap wood and figure put it to good use. So away we go. Alright, so I figure I'd narrate a little bit here. This is just leftover 1/2-inch plywood, and I didn't have enough to go long ways this way, so I've cut it crossways. I've got 4 pieces. I set them in and they look good as far as the spacing and all that. I am going to use brad nails, just brad nails, because I don't know, I'm afraid I'm going to split the wood with the screws, and since I only have the single support in the center, I don't know, I can see me splitting the wood. It's just, there's no reason not to do brad nails. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to do, something as simple as this, brad nails it is. And I checked it, it's pretty plumb, but it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's pretty good. It's enough for what I need, so we'll go with that.